What's up, gamers? Today we're going to be trading our parrot, our neon parrot, for a part 2 today. Here is the part 1. This is the part 1. Go ahead and watch it before watching this. I mean, there's no connection. It's just that server wasn't the bomb. So we are now in another Rich Adopt Me server. Oh yep, Rudy Pabs. Dance it. Dance it. Dance it. Uh-huh. Alright guys, let's go trade. So obviously a neon parrot is obviously pretty rare. I've been getting non-stop trades anytime I take this guy out. So we are going, I'd say this value should at least be maybe a bad dragon. Trading, oh my god, well, I got a trade request. TV Jordan, what was that? TV Jordan 1100. Let's go ahead and see. Hey, do you have a, what did they say? Hey, do you have G or normal or offer for my stuff? No, I do not. No, sorry. I'm poor, right? We are gonna politely decline that. We are gonna, oh, this other guy got a neon parrot. Except mine's for YouTube. Oh my god, guys, I cannot type it. It's kind of annoying. I accidentally forgot to type neon. For YouTube. Anyways, guys, if you guys don't know, if I didn't say yesterday, we are posting twice a day. So there will be another video up today. It's most likely not going to be on Adopt Me. There'll usually be a video on Adopt Me and one who's not on Adopt Me. So the ones that are on Adopt Me are going to be like trading videos or live streams. And I'm still thinking about how I'm going to do a live stream right now. But yeah. A neon unicorn, a mega dog, bunch of randoms. Definitely a bunch of randoms. We are going to decline. I don't even need to see more of their offer unless they add like a freaking bat dragon. Then we're just going to politely decline that. We got 127 R Ninja. Let's go ahead and see what they have to offer. Hi, can you tell me? A no pot hedgehog. Okay, I don't know a lot about hedgehogs, so so it's I'm gonna say it's no pot, so it's rarer, but it's prob worth about I don't know what this is actually. We're actually gonna look up values real fast on this. What a regular hedgehog would be worth. Because if I could see what a regular one would look, then where is the hedgehog on the list? Okay, here he is. So a regular one is worth, okay. Do you think it would be even close to a neon? I'm gonna say maybe, I don't, I'm gonna say maybe close to a mega turtle. Alright. Just made that person. He's probably gonna get that mega turtle, I think. For YT. We got PC_vibe1. He's offering. Just looking at him. He's offering me a mega turtle, a neon. Oh wow, a neon Arctic reindeer, a neon frost fury. Wow, this offer is actually kind of good. But if that's all they're adding, then I'm going to politely decline that because I don't think that's worth it. Trading neon parrot for YT. Okay. Oh. Here we are. They're offering me an Easter egg 2020, which those are actually pretty rare, but I don't want them because you can now trade them. A yo long dog? The frick is that? Okay, we're gonna politely decline that. Trading. If you guys are wondering why I can't type, I don't know if I said this in the last video, because this computer does not type. I mean, copy and paste. It's because this computer does not copy and paste. No, not the computer, the keyboard. Wait, unless I did this. Hopefully this guy, okay, let's. Hopefully, guys, this doesn't turn it off. But what if I lift this up? Do you think that's gonna turn it off? Oh, it didn't. Okay, so I'm on. Oh crap! It showed me. Hey guys, you just saw a little bit of me right there. It's fine, I guess. Added shark. Okay, this is not. Okay, but now what if I go? Oh no, I don't think this would work. Trading. Guys, I'm not looking at my screen right now. This is on a whole different thing that's connected to this. Trading neon parrot for YouTube. If I go in and copy and paste that and go. Do you think that, guys, is gonna work? Okay, it doesn't work. Maybe I'm just forgetting how to copy and paste or something. But I don't know. But this is being shut off. And we're gonna politely decline this because crap. I don't know if this is pausing the video or nothing, but I'm gonna decline. Shh, I'm recording. Stop.
What?
Sorry about that. But make sure. Okay, 8 minutes, perfect. We can still do maybe a little bit more than that. Neon parrot for YT. Come on, guys. Okay, Lathe 7098. Let's see. What do you have to offer for? Hi, I subbed free pet. Did they? Where are you guys going? Today? Okay. My fault about that, guys. Just wanted to make sure I was not staying home alone. Sure you subbed to the right. People always sub to the wrong account. You're a popcat. Wait, if you search up Gamerblade, guys, what pops up? No, he said he went up to that. A Goku? No. I am a red ninja with yellow eyes, 36 subs. Come on, yellow. I'm not a short channel. I do actual vids. I subbed. Let's make sure of that. Yep, he did. Okay. I see. We'll just give him my last South Asia egg. Yeah, guys, this is part 2. Come on, just accept. I have to get this. I have to. Can you add me? Okay, I usually don't add people, but sure. Where's Lath? Let's see if I can find him. Why do I have to? It's hard to add people. I like it better when they usually add me. It'd be a lot nice if you could just accept. There's one. Alright. Alright. Accept. This is wasting a lot. Okay, thank you. This is wasting a lot of time. I'm trying to just accept. Trading Neon Parrot for YT. Scan to AVD. Please don't tell me this is another one about YouTube. I will decline because I am doing a video. Come on, offer. If you're not going to offer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I got to get this video and at least have trades in it. So, love you, JD. Did I just trade this kid? Okay, a mega brown bear. Okay, that's actually pretty good. A crow, a mega. Oh my god, okay, this offer's actually. Okay. They actually went good with this offer. Let's see what a mega brown bear is, honestly. Like, worth. I don't know a lot about. I feel like they're in top 15. At most, I feel like that's where they would be. No, they're surprisingly not them. Where is a brown bear? Where do you find a brown bear? Oh, number 22? Wow. They're low. Oh, that's what they're worth. Okay, they're worth at least a normal parrot, so that's gonna have to be a decline for us. Oh. This kid's trading me again. Let's see what he. Please offer Lays or don't speak to me. It's me. Let's talk after the vid. Yes, we are friends. Okay, now let me just decline here and get this Sienna AVD. I feel like I have traded this person before. We're gonna see Sienna VD. She's born in 2013, so she's young. Come on. Hi, I'm sub on. Okay, I'm not. Right now, if you're sub, thank you so much, but I'm not giving you a free pet. Especially if I'm in a video right now. Just know that if you guys know and I'm saying trading for it and it's in a vid, then don't be like, oh, can I have a free pet? Because I'm not gonna go through with it until after the vid. After this trade, if they decide they don't want it, then we are going to end it off there. Sorry. Yeah, guys, we are going to end it off here. I will say, this server had some pretty nice trades, but I think we are going to end it off right here. Come on, Fruity Pebs. Okay, maybe this last trade, because they obviously want. You are my last trade. Feel honored. And, okay. Wait. Can I see? No, we're not going to that right now. Alright. This is it. Say bye-bye, Fruity Pebs. He's saying bye. That's how he says bye, guys. And hi, it's actually how he does both. But that's going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want a part 3, please comment in the comment section below. And I hope you guys are having a good day. And whoever has me at it, if you see me online, join me. And yeah. And by the way, if you get any on Parrot, I don't really know what it's worth. But comment in the comment section if you want a part 3. Bye, gamers.